How can I tell if my child's having a sensory challenge or a behavioral issue? First and foremost, I like to tell my parents that most behaviors are a form of communication. So that behavior might actually have an underlying sensory issue. So I know it's hard to tell, but let me break this down for you. Most of the time, these are really raw little nervous systems that are processing so much information, and it can really lead to a lot of sensory overwhelm. With that in mind, a lot of our kids can have meltdowns easily. They might not want to do stuff. And it really is because it's just too much for them. And what I like to tell my parents is to look for consistency. Is this happening at school, at home? Is it happening in the community? And the thing is that there's a lot of sensory input all day long. And so we do our best to see what specific sensory system is impacted, but most of the time it's multifactorial. And so you have to really see if there's consistently something that's triggering this little nervous system to have a hard time. Is it being overwhelmed with information? And then sometimes the other side of the coin is it underwhelmed? Is this nervous system not getting what it needs neurologically? I call it neurological nourishment, because if it's not getting what it craves and wants and needs, then it's not going to be able to give us the output that it needs in its environment to function. So those are the kids that might need to move. They might need to run around, might need to get extra energy out in order for them to function.